you jump for that?
No, he was jumping earlier.
Come here. Oh, he got a gum.
This guy some Fonzie.
Fonzie.
I am right here.
Are you videotaping this?
Good girl, Dottie.
Oh, I think he just got her pee-pee. Get underneath. She can't get you underneath. I learned that from my puppy. Come on. I think my pig's stronger than Dottie.
Yeah. That's not your pig. That's
I think
Fonzie.
Dottie's letting the pig powerhouse her.
Good girl, Dottie. Dottie's gonna have 2 new best friends.
It looks like it.
I just hope when she gets her pit bullies,
Don't.
her big one,
She's got grown-up teeth already.
she does.
Yeah.
You think it's gonna hurt him when she's like full ground?
She's being gentle.